Artificial intelligence is here. It is changing our world. Understanding AI is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. But for many, the world of AI seems complex and intimidating. AIBotStudio wants to change that. They offer workshops to make AI accessible to everyone. These workshops are our launchpad into the future. AIBotStudio believes everyone should have the opportunity to shape the future. Their workshops break down complex concepts into digestible pieces. They provide hands-on experience. They empower individuals to harness the power of AI. The AIBotStudio workshop is well structured. It caters to a diverse audience. Beginners will find the basics clearly explained. More experienced learners can dive into advanced concepts. The workshop is broken down into modules. The first module introduces artificial intelligence. Participants learn its history, they explore its potential impact on society. The next modules focus on practical skills. Participants learn to design, build and train their own AI bots. The AIBotStudio workshop doesn't just teach theory, it focuses on real-world applications. Participants learn to build bots for a variety of purposes. These bots can automate tasks, they can provide customer service, they can even create art. Imagine a world where AI assists us in our daily lives. Imagine AI helping us solve complex problems. The AIBotStudio workshop provides the tools to make this a reality. The AIBotStudio workshop is more than just a learning experience, it is a community. Participants from diverse backgrounds share their ideas, they collaborate on projects, they inspire each other. The workshop opens the door to a universe of possibilities. It empowers individuals to become creators, not just consumers of AI. That is the power of accessible education. That is the power of AIBotStudio. Join the AI revolution. The future is waiting.